What happens to your body if you eat psyllium husk every day? Psyllium husk is a natural fibre from the seeds of the Plantago ovata plant. This powder is often used as a thickener in cooking recipes, but it also has some surprisingly powerful health benefits when you drink it mixed in a glass of water every day. In this video, I will share these benefits, the common mistakes that people make with psyllium, and how to use it properly to actively help improve your overall health. All the research links are in the video description. Benefit number 1 is clearing constipation. When you add 1 to 2 teaspoons of psyllium to a glass of water and drink it, it swells up into a thick gel and can expand to up to 50 times its original size. As this gel moves through the digestive tract, it helps the body eliminate waste. One clinical trial found that 75% of patients with chronic constipation responded successfully to daily psyllium. Before the study, patients were struggling to go even once or twice a week, but after just 4 weeks of using psyllium, their regularity more than doubled. They went significantly more often and experienced far less painful straining because the gel made everything easier to pass. Bloating and gas is very common at the start. It can take at least 3 to 7 days for your gut microbes to get used to digesting psyllium, so be patient. Now, it doesn't just help with slow bowel movements, it also helps to firm up any loose stools. You see, the gel formed from psyllium doesn't work like a traditional laxative. It actually adds moisture to hard stools and it absorbs extra moisture from loose stools. 6 grams of psyllium daily was found in studies to reduce leakage episodes by between 30 to 50%. The understanding is that psyllium is helping to restore regularity and balance to the whole digestive system. This also has an effect on reducing hunger hormones. After using psyllium consistently, many people notice that their hunger and their cravings calm down. In one human study, 6.8 grams of psyllium before breakfast and lunch for 3 days significantly reduced hunger and the desire to eat compared to the placebo. What happens is simple. As psyllium swells up into a gel, it presses against stretch receptors in your stomach wall, which sends fullness signals to the brain through the vagus nerve. This helps trigger the release of satiety hormones like GLP-1 and PYY, which may help you to feel more satisfied. This is the exact same pathway that is targeted by modern weight loss medications. Now, number 4 is lowering LDL cholesterol. Your liver uses cholesterol from your blood to make bile acids. These travel down to your gut and help you digest fats and absorb nutrients. Normally, this bile would get reabsorbed and recycled to use again, but the psyllium gel actually binds and traps these bile acids, so they pass through your stool. Your liver then has no choice but to make more bile by pulling LDL cholesterol out of the blood. This is why a meta-analysis showed that around 10 grams of psyllium for 8 weeks lowered LDL cholesterol by 7%, which is significant for those of you who want to focus on maintaining a healthy heart. The research across 14 trials showed that in 802 people, the top number, which is systolic blood pressure, dropped significantly on average. This effect was much stronger in the people whose blood pressure was already high. Incorporating psyllium into your routine may help to reduce stress on the heart in more ways than one. For example, in helping to control blood sugar and insulin. Sugar and starchy carbs quickly turn into blood sugar and raise insulin. This hormone can damage your arteries and blood vessels, making them stiffer when it's too high, meaning that the heart has to work much harder to pump blood. However, when that psyllium gel lines your stomach, it slows down how quickly foods break down into glucose. This means that your pancreas doesn't have to keep releasing as much insulin all at once. One clinical trial showed that A1C levels dropped by a full point in 8 weeks, making this an ideal natural approach to help manage blood sugar levels. Starting with just 1 teaspoon a day before breakfast is the simplest approach, but I'll talk more about how to use this later. Now, the next benefit on this list is soothing acid reflux. Acid reflux is a situation where stomach acid flicks upwards into the food pipe, causing a burning sensation in the chest or a buildup of mucus in the throat. When psyllium actually enters the stomach, it acts like a sponge and it binds to digestive acids, essentially making them thicker and less likely to travel upwards and cause heartburn. One clinical trial showed that psyllium achieved an 89% symptom response rate, which was almost identical to the standard reflux drug omeprazole. Another study found that psyllium helped to reduce upward pressure on the muscle above the stomach in order to keep that acid down where it belongs. Now, this can also result in healthy weight loss as well. You may notice that you're less likely to snack and you find it easier to lose weight using psyllium, because the gel slows down how quickly food empties from your stomach, keeping you feeling fuller for significantly longer after eating. Also, by helping to keep the fat storage hormone insulin at a normal level, the body is better able to access and burn stored fat for energy. One meta-analysis found that taking around 10 grams of psyllium before meals led to a steady drop in body mass index, and also a reduced waist circumference by an average of 1 inch in 12 weeks without making any changes to the diet. Try adding 1/2 teaspoon of ground fenugreek to further boost your weight loss results if that's your goal. Now, benefit number 9 is overall gut health. When that gel from psyllium reaches your large intestine, the good bacteria start feeding on it. They then start multiplying and literally crowding out the harmful bad bacteria. More energy is extracted and used to feed the cells in your gut wall. Over 90% of all of the serotonin in your body is actually manufactured here in the gut. So as the environment improves, most people notice better energy, less brain fog, and better mood. But also better sleep, as that serotonin gets converted into the sleep hormone called melatonin at night. Additionally, one trial found that soluble fiber from psyllium helped to improve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Just something to think about. This also ties in with reducing anxiety sensations. Now, sometimes what people interpret as anxiety is actually just distress signals coming straight up from the gut. An irritated or bloated digestive tract sends constant warning messages up the vagus nerve to the brain, physically triggering a rapid heart rate, stomach butterflies, or a tightness in the chest that makes you feel mentally anxious when it's really just coming from your gut misfiring. To be transparent, no direct clinical trials show that psyllium cures anxiety, but by soothing the gut inflammation, it helps to shut off those internal warning signs, allowing your nervous system to drop out of the fight or flight mode and into the rest and digest. This is a more relaxed state with less tension and anxious feelings. Some people also use this for number 11, preventing painful hemorrhoids. High pressure and bloating in the intestines can cause the delicate veins to stretch, swell, and bleed. But because psyllium gel keeps everything soft and lubricated, it eliminates that friction and it protects the inner tissues, preventing painful hemorrhoids from developing in the first place. People with a history of hemorrhoids or gut problems may use psyllium every day long term. The next one is promoting clearer skin. High levels of glucose and insulin in the blood can actually cause the skin to produce more oil. This can sometimes clog the pores, forming pimples and redness. But because psyllium gel stops those sudden sugar spikes, it helps to keep insulin steady, naturally helping to cut down facial oil production from the inside out, rather than using those expensive creams which only work on the outside temporarily. Now that you've heard the science, let's take a look at how to consume psyllium. Begin with just 1 teaspoon of powder or 1 tablespoon of the flakes mixed into a large 8 to 12 ounce glass of water. Stir it very quickly and drink the whole thing immediately, because within 90 seconds it will turn into a thick gel that's difficult to drink. Then you want to drink another tall glass of water straight after swallowing the first mixture. This is very, very important because it quickly swells into a gel. You want to make sure that you drink a lot of water, otherwise it's going to pull moisture from within your own body. For best results with blood sugar and weight loss, take it roughly 30 minutes before a main meal. Give your digestive tract 3 to 7 days to completely adjust to this new baseline. If your gut feels perfectly fine, you can start to gradually build up to 2 to 3 servings a day, taking 1 teaspoon 30 minutes before each major meal. You can safely use psyllium every day as a long-term habit, provided you keep your hydration up. But do not fall for these common traps or make these mistakes. Do not use more than 1 teaspoon per day for the first week. Allow time for your gut microbes to adjust to the fibre. Psyllium can also gel around medication and slow its absorption, so always use it either 2 hours before or after meds unless your doctor says otherwise. Although you can use capsules, you would need about 8 of them to equal 1 teaspoon of the powder, so it is best to just stick with either the flakes or the powdered form. Make sure to avoid the flavoured version with sugar, sweeteners, colours or fillers. You just want the pure organic psyllium for the best effects. Also, people often feel bloated in the first 3 days and give up, but don't worry, this will settle as your gut health improves over the coming weeks. I'm Ryan Taylor, a certified nutritionist. Thank you so much for watching another of my nutrition videos. As always, I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.